What is good, fam? Welcome back to another video. So today we're flashing MHD into the 335. It's about time. I have been waiting a long time to do this, and then the day has finally came. So we're about to go back to the house. We just got the battery charger. I finally got the MHD, the new adapter. So we're about to go back to the house, flash the stage 2 in, and try to get some results from it, because I've been anxious to finally tune this car. And I was just waiting on this little thing right here. So now it finally came in. Better go to the house and plug up the charger, plug up the car, and we'll try to get that going. Okay, we're finally home. Okay, kind of explain it a little bit better. So right here is the MHD, the new flash tool, the universal one. Supposedly it's a little bit faster. I never used the original one, so I can't really judge if it's faster than the original one. So we're just gonna go off the judgment off of that one. And I just grabbed me a battery charger / maintainer, $40. I wonder if I need to charge this first. I'm assuming no. All right, so yeah, so I'm gonna go plug this into the Beamer, and then plug the MHD thing into the Beamer, and then yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of wires run and shit. I want a decent amount of burble. It's kind of quiet. I guess we're just gonna go into the settings and see what it brings us. I kind of want the aggression. It's still a little quiet, a little bit to me. I don't know if it's just because the windows are closed and it's wintertime and I can't have the windows open like that because it's fucking freezing out. I don't know what state you guys are in, but it is freezing in New York, and I just don't like to do work outside. I really don't. Alright guys, I finally got the battery charger hooked up. Make sure it's pulsing red to show it's charging. I guess my battery is less than 75%. It's good to know. So now that I got that plugged in, we'll take our handy dandy MHD tool. Get this out of the box. Hello, beautiful. There should be a plug down here. Now that you get the MHD tool plugged in, now you want to go ahead and tap this to on. So boom, go to stage 2, go to options, right? So then now we are here. I don't know what that is. Activate anti-lag. Yes, I'll take it. Apply a linear throttle mapping. I'm not sure what that is. Aftermarket downpipes. Remove test speed limiter. Exhaust burble. Yeah, we'll definitely take that. Aggressiveness. We'll put it on medium. Cold start noise reduction. No, honestly, I kind of like it really loud. I'm not gonna lie. Exhaust flap always open in sport mode. Absolutely. Click, bro. Startup roar. Absolutely. So now let's go ahead and do a long right. A bunch of stuff is happening. Honestly, this is kind of nerve-wracking a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Like, what happens if the car actually does cut off? I wouldn't even know what to do. I really wouldn't. All right, now we're moving. I like to see that. I like to see that a lot. So now I'm just gonna go through stage 2. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so now that's finally getting done. I'm gonna do the multi-maps, but I'm probably gonna wait just to get the first long right done, because I want to get that first initial tune done with them. And then once I get to adjust it and learn how it feels with it, then I'm probably gonna go and then do the multi-maps. But let's just get this first tune done, and then we're gonna move on to the multi-maps. Nice. Nice. Shorty told me to wait 30 seconds, so I'm gonna wait 30 seconds. Honestly, that wasn't even that long. I would say that was probably about like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It says 2 minutes and 39 seconds, but I don't think it was 2 minutes and 39 seconds. All right, let's get a cool start. Oh, she sounded different already, bro. Oh, yeah. Let's try to get some revs, a little bit of something. Yo, the phone dropped, but I'm definitely gonna get kicked out of this fucking house or the cops called me. Let's just take this shit for a ride. That shit is nutty, bro. What the hell? Oh, I'm really loving this. Nah. So I went ahead and upped the duration a little bit. It was a lot, I'm not gonna lie, but I kind of wanted a little bit more. So I upped it a little bit more, and now the flash was only 17 seconds. So now that I flash it the initial time, every time I flash it, it should be no longer than like 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It is getting darker out, but I just wanted to get a couple more shots in for you guys, so you guys have an idea of what it sounds like. It honestly sounds beautiful. I'm really not gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be way more obnoxious, but it's not. It's kind of perfect. Yeah, it's cozy. It's cozy. My neighbors hate me already though. The neighbor to the left had the cops show up, but I don't think that was for me though. Thank God. Hate me over here. Yo, that's wild. Still a slight pull. I hate when cars pull out in front of me, bro. That's just like the worst thing ever.